Hi guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video that's a bit different from what I've been doing. Although I don't always do. I just do what I feel like doing. So as you've read by the title, here I have a couple of sheets with some English words that were handed by my English teacher, of course. And basically, these are words that I'm supposed to know, and or to learn. I don't know. I don't know. I've not read them yet, but I think they're like higher level words. So if you don't know, I'm Spanish, so obviously I can speak English to a certain level, but yeah. But I have a couple of sheets here, and basically I'm just going to read the word, the definition, then like a phrase or a sentence with the word, and I'm gonna be writing it in this little like board that I have. Although I don't know how I'll be doing that because I think the camera's inverted. So when I write it normally, it's the other way around. So I maybe will have to write them backwards. But yeah, that's gonna be what we're going to be doing today. So maybe even you can learn some words. I don't think so. I think that I'm going to know at least a few of them. I think. But yeah, let's just start. Let me get these. So, the first word, I've heard it. The first word is alluring. It's an adjective. Alluring. And it means attractive and exciting. And the example says, the prospect of a free trip to Iceland seemed mostly alluring. So alluring. I think I didn't exactly know what it meant, but I've read it before. Now let me write it. Although again, I think I'll have to write it backwards. So don't mind my writing. That's alluring. Alluring. Yeah, I'll have to write them backwards. I don't know how many words I'll do. Just maybe I'll pick the ones that I find interesting. But yeah, next one, let's do bespectacled. Bespectacled. I think that's how you say it. It's an adjective. Bespectacled. And it means wearing glasses. So it says a bespectacled librarian directed me to the reference section. So theoretically, I'm a bespectacled person right now because I'm wearing glasses. Bespectacled. I had never heard this word ever. Okay, this is okay. Ooh, I don't know if I'll be able to write this backwards. Let's see. It's it didn't fit. It didn't fit. No way, bro. But yeah. Bespectacled. So let's see. There's a few of these that I know. Like most of them I know. Like there's rebellion. resistance against authority or reluctance to obey and attempts to change accepted rules. Also a thug, which is a violent criminal, I also know, let's see, a boy or a young man. A lad. Let's see, I don't know what this is. It says, oh, I think it's live wire, right? It's not leaf, it's live, a live wire, which means a very energetic person who is hard to control. And the example is Annabelle's daughter is quite shy, but her son is a real live wire. Never heard that either. Okay, so let's see one that I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I don't know. This one is gritty. It's an adjective. Gritty. And it says describing somebody who is brave and determined, or describing a realistic and pleasant situation. And the example is only by gritty determination did Vanessa win the tournament. I think I might have heard it before, but I did not know what it was. I'm reading them and I think I know most of them, so for example, I don't know how you pronounce this. I don't know if it's lethargy or lethargy, which is tiredness and or lack of enthusiasm. Tiredness and or lack of enthusiasm. And the example is, it took Gary a few weeks to shake off the lethargy brought on by his illness. I think there's a similar one in Spanish, but I'm not 100% sure. I am not 100% sure. And yeah, I'm gonna do a last one. I know almost all of these ones, but I don't know. Okay, I don't know this one. Headlong. It's an adverb, apparently, and it means quickly and directly without considering the consequences. Okay, so quickly and directly without considering the consequences. And the example is losing control of her company's budget. She fell headlong into bankruptcy. And it says it's also an adjective, I think. Let's see if I can write this. It's gonna be a difficult one. Headlong. I mean, to write it backwards, like it's not too much like of a bad writing. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Well, I wish I did more like writing. that sound, definitely tell me so that I look away. Maybe I can like inverse the camera, or just even like write on it and not show it to the camera. So like a role play or something. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you guys in the next one.